Hello everyone, in this lecture the topic, the difference between pure linguistics and applied linguistics is going to be explained in detail, but if you are new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. Let's first learn pure linguistics. Pure linguistics, also known as theoretical linguistics, is the scientific study of the structure and development of language in general. What does it mean? Basically, if you want to differentiate it from applied linguistics, then keep in mind these points. The study of language for its own sake. By this point, I mean that pure linguists are not primarily interested in the practical applications of language studies. Instead, they are motivated by a desire to understand the fundamental nature of language and how it works. In other words, you can say that, it is not used to solve the problem through language but it focuses on the point that how a language works. The use of scientific methods. By this point, it means that pure linguists use a variety of scientific methods, such as data collection, analysis, and hypothesis testing, to study language. To put it simple, it uses to some extent all scientific methods for studying a language, that how a language is used or, how words are combined to make sentences etc. Focus on abstract theory. Actually, it explains that pure linguistics is a theoretical discipline, which means that it is concerned with developing abstract theories about the nature of language. These theories are often based on empirical evidence, but they are not directly concerned with the practical applications of language. In simple words, you can say that it is concerned with theoretical knowledge of a language and that knowledge is particularly used in applied linguistics. It is interdisciplinary approach. Actually, it means that pure linguists often draw on knowledge from other fields, such as psychology, sociology, and anthropology, to better understand language. However, their primary focus is on the language system itself. While on the other hand, applied linguistics can be defined as applied linguistics is the field of study that focuses on the practical application of linguistic theories and research to address real-world issues related to language. It puts linguistics theories into practice. Basically, by this point, it means that applied linguistics puts theory into practice by using linguistic theories and methods to solve real-world language problems. Simply, you can say that pure linguists presents theories and applied linguistics applies that theories practically to solve problems related to language learning or teaching. In other words, you can say, applied linguists develop and implement language teaching methods and materials that are based on research on how people learn languages. They also work with teachers to develop their skills and knowledge in language teaching and assessment. Well, if you have enjoyed this lecture then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.